Now in this lesson, we're going to talk about the various steps needed to crack WEP. When we get to the next lesson, we're going to actually pull out the lab environment, go into Kali Linux, and crack a WEP network. So the first thing we have to do is we need to verify that our network card is in monitoring mode. We're going to do that by checking with iwconfig. If you type iwconfig at the prompt, you'll find out if your card is in monitored or managed mode. If it's in monitor mode, that means that it is promiscuous and it can listen to everything on the network, which is what we need to be able to do WEP. The next thing we're going to do is we are going to take that monitor mode card and we're going to start listening to see what networks are out there. And we do that by using arrow-dump ng. So we'll do arrow-dump ng, WLAN 0, mon, and when we do that, we'll see all of the networks populate and we'll find the network we want to hack. In our labs, that's going to be wireless hacking, which is a WEP network. We'll find its BSSID, which is its MAC address for the access point, and we're going to highlight that and copy that so that we have it in our memory so we don't have to type it each time. The next thing we're going to do is cancel out of that, and we are going to use a specific command with arrow-dump, giving it the channel, the MAC address for that wireless access point, a file name that we want to dump all the packets that are going to that network on, and the card that we're going to be using, WLAN 0 mon. Put all that in a command, hit enter, and it will go through and start capturing everything addressed to and from that access point and dumping it to a text file or a capture file. Once we have enough initialization vectors, which generally is going to be somewhere around 10,000 to 20,000 initialization vectors, we'll be able to take those and we'll be able to crack it using a tool called aircrackng. And to use that, we just type aircrackng and the file name. It will churn away on that file, usually taking no more than 60 seconds, and be able to come back with the key for that WEP network, which is that hexadecimal key that we used setting up our lab earlier. So that's pretty much it. That's the steps that we need to be able to do WEP cracking. Sounds pretty easy. Let's move into the next lab and we can see how it works.